It is impeccably difficult not to get lost in the vast lands of opportunities of modifying one's bike, especially when these opportunities are expanding. Hence then, the first thing I thought to be a reasonably good investment was this.
The nose fairing and windshield from Ermax. It looks kinda nice, and I think it gives off a real good vibe. Like the vibe you get from the RT Monster, both with the S2 and the S4 RS. Yeah, I think it looks quite nice, quite decent. This is kind of like the look I'm looking for. It's similar. Mine will be in red, white and black. Let's get it down and let's get it on. So at first sight, the fairing is quite bigger than I expected. It's really wrapped nice, with bolts, screws and spacers and instruction manual included in the package, which is to expected. And the fairing is right nice. It's shiny and matches my colors of the bike very good. Though this Ermax sticker has to go, so I managed to pull it off and then clean the glue off with some kerosene and a cloth. It went rather nice, so let's mount this thing. First of all, you remove the headlight from the side brackets. So you remove the 3 bolts holding the headlight in place, and remember to take note that the headlight is actually mounted on a stem right in the middle. It's like a little pin that goes up in the headlight. So next up, this was quite the challenge. So I read the instructions manual and it told me to first mount the fairing by installing the inner black bolts in the fairing to the inside of the brackets. And I tried both that and installing the fairing directly to the headlight by mounting the fairing through the bolts that's mounted through side brackets into the headlight. That didn't go quite as well. So I used the first method and mounted the fairing through the black bolt using washers to the inner side of the brackets, then mounting the headlight to the front of the brackets with the original bolt, and after that I mounted the entire headlight and fairing on the fork stem, screwing back 4 bolts holding the entire headlight. To top it off, I cleaned the fairing with some Vulcanet wipes. These wipes are absolutely amazing, cleaning even the tiniest and most resistant spot. It makes the fairing shine bright and clear and looks absolutely amazing.
Well, I'm quite satisfied with the new look. I think it's absolutely brilliant. Love the look. It matches in the colors completely. It matches with the lines, the design. The overall complexion and the design of it is so effing brilliant. So beautiful. It's perfect. It's amazing how a small thing can do for a big difference for the bike. The look, it's just amazing. I think it's really, really good. I think it's awesome. Let me know what you think.